It's dinner time, but you're in the mood for breakfast. Why not have both? And enjoy juicy fried chicken paired with crisp, fluffy waffles and topped with sweet maple syrup. Oh, that sounds so good. Your first impression might be that they wouldn't go together, but the dish's popularity has exploded during the last few years. Where did people first eat this combination of foods? And who do you think serves the best chicken and waffles in the U.S.? Roscoe's in California? Lolo's in Nevada? Johnny's Chicken and Waffles in Atlanta? Or Connie's in Maryland? State your favorite in the comments below and discover the roots of this beloved dish. Chicken and Waffles combines fried chicken and, waffles. It's right there in the title. Southern fried chicken has roots in Europe and Africa. It's the combination of European fricassee with African seasoning. People ate waffles as far back as the Middle Ages, and it arrived in North America with the Pilgrims. They discovered them in Holland and brought the treat across the Atlantic. In the U.S., waffles became popular in the 1790s after Thomas Jefferson returned from France with a waffle iron. But where did these two strangers, waffles and chicken, meet and fall in love? You might be quick to answer the American South. It is considered a Southern soul food, so it must come from there, right? Well, in the early 1800s, a Virginia breakfast consisted of fried or baked meats with a hot quick bread. It's not quite chicken and waffles, but flat waffles may have been involved. After the American Civil War, some formerly enslaved men sold fried chicken and biscuits to travelers on railroad station platforms. Many kitchens at the time had waffle irons, so some travelers might have enjoyed crisp, thin, waffle-like wafers instead of biscuits. And in Pennsylvania Dutch country, home cooks made waffles and topped them with pulled chicken and gravy. But the official chicken and waffle pairing didn't come from either of these places. For that, let's travel to Harlem in 1938. The Wells Supper Club was a popular spot with jazz musicians like Sammy Davis Jr. and Nat King Cole. These musicians often played late into the early morning hours. So how would you feed hungry musicians at such an hour? Joseph T. Wells combined fried chicken from dinner and waffles from breakfast. This delicious dish was a hit, but it didn't spread to the West Coast until 1976. Inspired by the Wells Supper Club, Harlem native Herb Hudson moved to Los Angeles and opened Roscoe's. You might have heard of this restaurant. Roscoe's became famous for its chicken and waffles. When U.S. President Barack Obama visited Hollywood in 2011, one of his stops was Roscoe's House of Chicken and Waffles. He ate the Country Boy, 3 fried chicken wings with a waffle. The restaurant has been featured in movies like Tapehead, Swingers,
You saw him that night at Roscoe's.
Jackie Brown,
Me and you go to Roscoe's Chicken and Waffle on me.
Rush Hour,
It's Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles?
and Soul Plane.
Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles.
But other people argue that the Pennsylvania Dutch recipe of pulled chicken and waffles traveled down the East Coast, and Southern cooks replaced the shredded chicken with the fried variety. They argue that the true origin of fried chicken and waffles is truly in the South. Well, wherever it started, chicken and waffles is a popular dish there. In 1996, Atlanta-born musician Gladys Knight took the midnight train to Georgia and opened her chicken and waffle restaurant in time for the 1996 Atlanta Olympics. The international exposure increased the dish's popularity.
Oh my God, yeah.
Today, there are chicken and waffle restaurants across the country. In addition to Roscoe's, some of the most popular include Lolo's in Nevada, Frank's in New Mexico, Connie's in Maryland, and Johnny's Chicken and Waffles in Atlanta. So what do you think? Is chicken and waffles a northern dish or a southern dish? And should they even be served together? Whatever you think, it's a fascinating story, and the history behind all-American fried chicken is just as complicated. We'll take a look at that on another episode of Origins of Food.